Hello student. Today in this second session of chapter matter, we will be learning how to represent the properties of solid, liquid and gases in the form of a tabular chart. We will be discussing several properties which are interparticle space. It is nothing but intermolecular space. Interparticle force, that is intermolecular force. Shape, volume, kinetic energy, compressibility and fluidity. You can see that in case of solid, the intermolecular space is least, whereas it is maximum in case of gases. And in case of solid, you can see that the intermolecular force is the strongest, whereas weakest in case of gases. As I've already told you in the previous session that intermolecular forces are inversely proportional to intermolecular space. So the more the force will be stronger, lesser will be the intermolecular space. Moving to the next point, C, you can see that in case of solid, it has a definite shape, and the only reason behind is the intermolecular forces are very strong, which intact the particles together in a lattice and does not allow the free movement. Whereas in case of liquid, it is not definite, and in case of gases also, it is indefinite. Volume, you can see that the volume in case of solid is definite, and in case of liquid also it is definite, but the shape was of liquid was not definite. This we can understand with the help of an example. You can see that in case of liquid, if you place the liquid in a beaker, the liquid acquires the shape of beaker. If you place the liquid in a big cylinder, the liquid will occupy the shape of cylinder. If you fill the liquid in a round bottom flask, the liquid will occupy the shape of round bottom flask, which proves that liquid does not have a definite shape, whereas solids have a definite shape. Further, moving to the next point, kinetic energy of molecules. In this kinetic energy of molecules, you can see that in case of solid, it is lowest, whereas in case of gases, it is highest. But if you raise the temperature of solid, then it can be easily converted into other state. Solid can be converted to liquid, and liquid can be converted to gases, because the particles are gaining energy which help them for free movement. Compressibility, solid cannot be compressed, whereas gases are highly compressible, and it is only because of lesser intermolecular force of attraction in gas molecules. Further, moving to the point fluidity, you can see that solids do not show fluidity, whereas in case of liquid and gases they show fluidity. And what is fluidity? As I've already explained you, fluidity is nothing but tendency to flow is known as fluidity.